Hindi ya muthi wa githomo thukuru-ini wa City Rose Academy guku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, murugamiri wa githomo kaunti-ini no MARGARET LESUUDA ni ahinyiriirie mathukuru ma andu kiumbe kugacirithia mathomo ma CBC niguo gutigirira arutwo ni magia na kundu kwega gwa guthomera.
We don't have adequate public schools in Nairobi. We have a shortage every time we do KCSE or KCP. We have to even, I don't know whether I will use the word export or whatever, but our children have to seek Form 1 vacancies elsewhere.
Kuringana na LESUUDA no nginyanagia mathukuru ma andu kiumbe mahingie mitaratara yothe iheanitwo ni thirikari hari mathomo ma CBC na kwaga uguo makuru makihingwo.
We even shared the guidelines with the private sector, and in fact when we hear a person wanting to develop a school, we always welcome them to take them through the regulations before they go. Come to check on your area, whether we visit the site, even before you build a school. But some of them go ahead and build a shanty, not even a school. We will close them, I assure you. And we have already some letters to close a few of them.
LESUUDA ahinyiriirie mathukuru maya kugacirithia ikiro ciao na kuguithiria aciari marihi ma bithi niguo kunyihia muhatikano munene wa arutwo mathukuru-ini ma muingi kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Agicera thukuru-ini wa City Rose, LESUUDA ugite ni akenetio ni laboratory ya kiriu undu umwe na riko kuria arutwo marikoragwo magithomera mathomo ma practicals. Ona waciari ni mahoete na mathukuru maya guthie na mbere kugacirithia ikiro na kuheana githomo gikinyaniire kuri arutwo.
Hakika amekuja hapa ajui kuandika, ako grade 3, ninashindwa mtoto nitampeleka wapi. Lakini vile nimeona improvement, vile mtoto wangu amekuwa, I'm proud of this school.
Kuna shule ambazo zinakula pesa za wazazi bure na hasifanyi kazi. Lakini kwa hii City Rose kwa hakika tumeona wakifanya kazi mzuri, watoto wetu wamerefuka zaidi. Mwena-ini
wake director wa thukuru yo Judith Githae ni oretie mathukuru ma andu kiumbe mekire muno kuigithia hari gwaka thukuru nyingi niguo gukinyaniria mubango wa thirikari wa arutwo kuingira mathukuru-ini na gicunji kia 100%.
As we nurture them, as we push them, as we bring them up and teach them, you on the other side, you also support us, and we together bring up a child that will be different from other children.
Your children are in very good hands, and we have seen the children performing here, and that demonstrates that quality is being nurtured.
It's about making people self-reliance. It's making people creative, such that instead of having people looking for the job, they create the jobs. Instead of having people looking for food, they grow the food.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, jitagwo Winaina wa KIUMBE.